How's it going? My name's Taine Wilson. I went to high school at South Warren here in Bowling Green. My first experience with Younglife began due to my friend named Noah Brandt. But we had played hockey together and I knew he had lived close and he had invited me a couple times to come to Younglife. So around the end of my sophomore year in high school, I decided to give it a try. After the next week or so, I had a hockey game. I wasn't playing against Noah and don't exactly know how he knew I was playing. But he somehow told the South Warren leaders that I was playing, and a couple of which came out to support me. And after the game, they came up and were like, "Wow, great game, dude, that was awesome." And it honestly surprised me because I didn't really know them that well. I only met them 2-3 times maybe before. It was crazy to me that somebody would go out of their way and take time out of their day to come watch a game, some kid they didn't even know. And it honestly got me to stick around. I started going to Younglife every week I could. Initially, I'll admit, I didn't go for Jesus. I wasn't interested. I was just interested in the social aspect. Didn't have a whole lot of friends at that point in high school, so I was definitely trying to use it as a social outlet rather than as an outlet to Christ. And I had stayed that way for a good year and a half. All throughout my junior year, I got closer and closer with the leaders, Jackson Stanek, Tyler Arnold, Taylor Huff, Tristan Denny, up until probably about January of my senior year of high school. That's whenever it all changed for me. Tyler Arnold and I had a Bible study going. I would come to Hillside, and he really opened my eyes to who Jesus really is. And I can honestly credit him with being the #1 influence on my life in terms of meeting Christ and the relationship I have with him today. My life is just 180 degrees different. I've been coming to Younglife every week since then as well, but for a completely different reason. I was there to learn who Jesus was, to know Christ, and I can honestly say it's changed my life. This past summer, I got to go to summer camp, Rockbridge in Virginia. It was an amazing week, one of the best weeks of my life, I can honestly say. And at camp, I had experienced something I had never experienced before. And I wanted so many other people to be able to experience that feeling. And I thought that the best way to do so is to become a leader myself. So now I'm currently going through new leader training. And hopefully at the end of the semester I'll be placed in an amazing school and be able to bring in and introduce so many kids to the grace that is Jesus Christ.
I'm Katherine. I graduated from Warren Central High School, and Sarah Jasper was my Younglife leader. I met her my junior year of high school when I was not living my life for the Lord. I met her in the band room, which was weird because I was very mean to her and I just didn't know why she was talking to me. But she still kept pursuing me and kept loving me, and she just met me where I was. Even when I was partying and drinking and doing all of these things, she loved me well and showed me the Lord through her actions. And she could have got mad at me several times and she didn't, because she was showing me grace like Jesus. She pursued me the rest of my high school career, and then she got me involved in College Life, which is our college ministry. And so she really pushed me out of my comfort zone to get to know people and showed me what true community was like. Going to Younglife College allowed me to go to Southwind, which is a Younglife camp. There I met more people and my community grew. After that, I decided that I was going to accept Christ and allow Him to work in my life. So that August, I got baptized and started a new leader training, which led to another spring break this past year at Panama City Beach. There was kind of on a high because I knew people and I was really into the community and I was just learning a lot about the Lord. 8 days later, my dad passed away unexpectedly, so that was really hard. And I'm just super grateful that I had the community that I did in Younglife, who not only let me grieve and learn more about the Lord on my own timing, but didn't leave me alone in that hard time. This past summer, I got to just learn more about the Lord and really rely on Him because I literally had nothing else. He's literally the only thing that I could rely on. So this past summer, I just learned so much about Him and fell more in love with Him. And then I realized that it was okay to grieve, but also it was okay for me to live joyfully through the Lord, because that's what we're called to do. That's not to say that I don't grieve still and that I don't still have bad days, but also we're not promised all good days. Fast forward 6 months later and I just got placed at South Warren High School, and I get to be a leader just like Sarah was to me. I get to love on these kids and show them the love that the Lord has for them and always point them back to Him.